Good morning, students. Please take out your reading book, my little book of literature. Please take out this book. We are going to have reading class today. What class? Reading class. Yes? Chapter 5, The Magic Seed. Chapter 5, The Magic Seed. First of all, I'm going to read and you all are going to read after me. And after that, I'll be explaining you all the chapter. It's clear to you? Are you all ready? Please practice reading after me. May I start? Yes? Okay. The Magic Seed. Raju was a little boy. Repeat. Raju was a little boy. One day, Amma gave him a mango. Raju ate the mango. It was very sweet. Appa asked him to plant the seed. Raju dug a hole. He put the seed in the hole. He covered the seed with soil. Appa helped Raju. Appa said to Raju, water is every day. Water it every day. Soon you will see magic. After a few days, a baby plant came out of the soil. Raju said, "Look at the baby plant, Appa." Is this the magic of the mango seed? Appa said, "Wait and see. There is more magic." The little plant began to grow. It grew very big. It grew for many years. Raju was a big boy now. The little plant grew into a big tree. Raju said, "A small seed has become a big tree. That is the magic." Appa said, "Wait a little more. There will be more magic." It was a lovely day in the month of March. Raju woke up early. He looked out of the window. The mango tree was full of small flowers. Look at the flowers, Appa. This is the magic, said Raju. Once again, Appa said, wait a little, there will be more magic. One day, Raju saw more magic. There were tiny green mangoes on the tree. The mango slowly grew big and yellow. Appa said, Raju, call your friends. The mangoes are ripe. We can eat them now. Raju and his friends ate the mangoes. They were sweet and juicy. This is the magic of the seed, said Appa. Now let us plant the seeds of these mangoes. So here I taught you how to read. Now I'm explaining the story. This is about a small boy. Raju was a little boy and Amma gave Raju a mango to eat. And that mango was how? It was very sweet and delicious to eat. Appa asked him to plant the seed. Then the Appa told him, go and dig that seed on the mud, on a hole. You put the seed in the hole, Appa says. And what happened? He covers the seed with the soil and Appa helped Raju to do it. But Appa said to Raju, you have to water it every day. Why? Soon you will see the magic. After a few days, a baby plant, small plant came out of the soil. Raju said, look at the baby plant, Appa. Is this the magic of the mango seed? So he asked, Appa, is this the magic of the mango seed you told me about? Appa said, no, wait and see. There will be more magic. The little plant began to grow. It grew very big. It grew for many years. So mango plants, the tree takes quite a long year to become bigger, isn't it? So he's saying that. It grew for many years. Raju also became big boy. The little plant grew into a big tree. That small plant became a big tree. Raju said, a small seed has come a big tree. That is the magic. Raju asked, oh my God, I can see small seed has come out on the big tree. Is this the magic? Appa said, wait a little more. There will be more magic. But don't be impatient. You wait. You will see. There is more magic. Raju woke up early. He looked out of the window. The mango tree was full of small flowers. So after the seeds, after a few days, he saw the tree was full of flowers, small flowers. Oh, look at the flowers, Appa. Is this the magic? He asked. But Raju asked to Appa. Once again, Appa told, wait and see. There will be more magic. That means there is more to see. One day, Raju saw more magic. There was tiny green mangoes on the tree. Then from the flower, it changed to small green mangoes. So Raju again, Appa said, Raju, Call your friends, the mangoes are ripe. Slowly, slowly the green mangoes on the tree was there, and slowly, slowly they became big and yellow. So it was raw that time, then it became ripe. Then Appa said, Raju, call your friends. The mangoes are ripe. You can eat them now. Said, go, call your friends. You can enjoy the mango now. Raju and his friends ate mangoes. They were sweet and juicy. This is the magic of the seeds, said Appa. See, this is the magic. Now let us plant the seeds of these mangoes again. So said, see, it was a time when you ate something and you plant and see, today it gives you the fruits. So keep planting again the seeds, then you will be getting more mangoes out of this. So it's a very nice story, isn't it? And this page 19, please do it by yourself. I'm not going to tell you, you do it by yourself. Okay? So today we have done the reading, and gradually I'll be giving you some spellings for your half yearly examination separately, which you can learn later on. Okay? So today, bye. Take care of yourself. We'll meet on the next class again.